Past perfect tense in mindfulness. In the practice of mindfulness, the past perfect tense plays a crucial role in helping us reflect on our thoughts and emotions in a non-judgmental way. By using this tense, we can explore the connection between our past experiences and how they shape our present moment. Let's delve deeper into the past perfect tense with illustrative examples to better understand its significance in mindfulness practice. 1. Example. Before I started practicing mindfulness, I had lived in a constant state of anxiety. In this sentence, the past perfect tense, had lived, indicates an action that occurred before the starting point of the action, practicing mindfulness. By reflecting on this past experience, we can understand how it influenced the decision to start practicing mindfulness and address the root cause of anxiety. 2. Example. She had struggled with self-doubt for years before attending the mindfulness workshop. The past perfect tense, had struggled, highlights the ongoing nature of the struggle with self-doubt before a specific event, attending the workshop. By acknowledging this past experience, one can approach the workshop with a deeper understanding of the underlying issues and work towards self-acceptance. 3. Example. After I had meditated for several months, I noticed a significant improvement in my overall well-being. In this sentence, the past perfect tense, had meditated, emphasizes the duration of the action before the noticeable improvement. By reflecting on the consistent practice of meditation, one can recognize the gradual changes in mental and emotional well-being over time. 4. Example. They had faced numerous challenges in their past relationships before applying mindfulness principles to communicate effectively. The past perfect tense, had faced, indicates the accumulation of challenges in past relationships before implementing mindfulness principles. By acknowledging these past difficulties, one can approach current relationships with a mindful attitude and cultivate healthy communication habits. 5. Example. Before she started using mindfulness techniques, she had never realized the impact of negative self-talk on her mental health. In this sentence, the past perfect tense, had never realized, underscores the lack of awareness before engaging in mindfulness practices. By reflecting on the negative self-talk patterns from the past, one can develop a compassionate approach towards oneself and cultivate a more positive mindset. Overall, the past perfect tense in mindfulness encourages us to reflect on past experiences with a sense of curiosity and compassion. By acknowledging and understanding the interplay between our past actions and their effects on the present moment, we can cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness and make conscious choices for our well-being. Through mindful reflection and practice, we can create a positive transformation in our thoughts, emotions, and relationships.